It was incredible. I'm on the floor, yeah. I was sitting with Bean.
Cam, a monster.
And so she got it for me, and I'm so excited. Let's do my camera. Buenos dias. Say hi. Say hi.
Buenos dias. Friends.
So I'm gonna check my Google Classroom for schoolwork.
So 56.
And then I'm gonna continue editing, but I don't have a first period today.
What does that mean?
I don't have class right now. I don't have class till 9:50. Anyways, I'm drinking warm water because my throat kind of hurts and it's like concerning to me. My final for English is overly easy. You choose one of these and then it has to have these specifications. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do Evolution of 2020 because that's really easy. I'm in C. I take a very fast shower because I have Zoom in literally 20 minutes about. So I'm in my third period Zoom. I'm gonna upload my video right now because I finished editing. I obviously got out of the shower.
Touch me. Sweet. And she's like,
Oh, my mom's throwing kill at us.
What?
I'm recording.
Just having a hard time over here.
My mom made double espresso.
You're on the ground.
I'm on the floor, yeah. I was sitting with Bean. She needs company too. So I have like finals next week, right? 3 of my teachers haven't even told us what we're doing.
Probably not that serious.
I hope not because I'm not prepared.
Angelina is dead ass serious.
Dude.
Pac was making fun of my hair.
I wasn't making fun of it. She just had bedhead. You still look like you got ready today. Can't remember.
Why is your clothes so gross?
That's my dad's. What do you?
Because I know I'm gonna walk outside.
What are you eating?
Soup.
Oh.
why you guys are having me
Oh, okay.
eat.
So I saw TikTok and it says that if you microwave cup noodles that it releases some chemicals and it causes depression and learning disabilities. And so we just don't want that to happen to Pumbaa.
What's it say?
It says pack.
No, it says a sad face.
Oh yeah, it's sad face and pack.
Where's the pack? I found it. Pack.
Mm-hmm. It sounded like Coraline in the beginning.
What?
Didn't it?
I found it.
It was incredible. I'm in Zoom, and I have my camera on in this class. It's like awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna show my desk because I'm gonna clean it because it's dirty.
I'm trash. Nice. I'm trash.
I'm gonna clean. Okay, so now my desk is clean. I hung up. These are crooked. Hung those up. Took out all of the trash. And then I just have a notebook, a textbook, and paper. And then those, I literally use them. And then I have little, let's call him Tom, next to my camera. We just got Bath and Body Works candles. I'm not gonna open it because my mom's probably gonna unbox it for the vlog. But I have to go to school in a little bit to pick up clay. So I just did the dishes, not all of them, but I did those, and Puma's gonna put them away, and then I'll do the rest. So yeah, I think I'm gonna eat avocado toast, but honey bunches, no, because my throat kind of hurts. But also I'm lazy. I'm gonna have honey bunches. That sounds bomb, and I have almond milk. This is my fit. My room isn't necessarily the cleanest because we filmed, and then my clean clothes are in there. I just got them, and this whole thing, it was just clean, as you saw literally yesterday, but is the fit. This is just a crew neck from Walmart. This flannel from JCPenney, Nike sweatpants from Dick's, and Air Forces that I bought like a year ago. that are hosed.
Open a can of Monster.
I'm taking over from here.
I love you more than Monster.
You already signed your papers. So if you want your vote back.
So my girlfriend just came over, like really quick, briefly. She let me open one gift. She brought all the gifts for me for next time she comes over, like for when she can actually stay, then we'll open them together. But I also had to give her clay, and we gave her cousin her presents. It was a whole thing. But she let me open this, and I'm so excited. Before we were even together, we talked about getting one of these. And so she got it for me, and I'm so excited. I don't know what that is, but... Okay, how do I open this? Oh, I need a screwdriver. Are you kidding me? What the heck is this for? Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to do this, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. So we don't have the kind of battery it takes. I think it's a 9 volt. So I'm just gonna wait till we go out again, because we're not trying to go out. So whenever we do, obviously it's no rush, then we will get the battery. She just brought me a Monster. And the next time she comes over, like I said, we'll trade gifts. So she brought me all mine so that she didn't have to bring it next time. It's literally a huge box. She brought stuff for my sisters too, though. So, yeah. I'm gonna make ground beef for my mom for their dinner. I just ate avocado toast.
Messy?
Yeah, it's a sloppy Joe. It's sloppy. So I'm gonna start working on my clay. I picked it up today.
I feel like the shrimp's gonna fall if I get this juice. Or soda. Why would they give poison to us?
Amazing poison. Okay, I'm gonna watch a video on this just so I don't mess up, because I have one try. Well, I could mold it again before it gets leather hard, but still. This is my pinch pot right now. I'm obviously not an expert. This is gonna be gold, so once it's like fired, I'll paint these gold. And on the outside over here or somewhere, I'm gonna do a small rainbow. I'll put the picture right here of my inspiration. And then my mom said I should do this, like put gold on the outside, like coming out. I guess I could do one more coming out of here, so it looks like it led up to it, but that's it right now. 10th, yes. Ooh, you get long ones. Jeez. Have you ever gotten long ones? Yeah. Oh.
Oh, they're like that. Oh, but they're not.
Same ones as me?
No.
Aww. They're cute.
They are cute.
So, I am going to start editing. And then... Oh, my mom's filming right now in my room, so I'm just gonna edit for now. You can't see me that well, but I'm making my way to the mailbox because my girlfriend's last present is here finally, and I'm very excited, but I need the flashlight, so I'm gonna get that. Pretty our house is. Not that, but oh my god, it's so cold, but the lights are pretty. Drop her hot cocoa bomb. These are the last 4 we're doing. Die.
Go get a spoon to mix it.
Hold on.
Look, it's drowning.
I want to see the marshmallow pop up. Yeah.
Look, I didn't mean to do that. That happens with everyone. I saw it.
What? Oh, yeah, I know. It's on TikTok. I think
Wait.
with the candy melts, it'll be more dramatic.
Look, I'm stabbing it.
Yep. Now just mix it until all the chocolate's ground up.
I knew you'd do that.
Not as dramatic. Oh, what in the... It exploded. It went with the air, the powder.
Ah, it melted.
There you go.
Oh!
This is mine. So I just got out of the shower not too long ago, and then I made the hot cocoa with the kids. I made the hot cocoa with my sisters, and then now I'm gonna keep editing, probably till like 10:30, 11, and then go lay down. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I don't want to show you guys my night routine too much. Like, I don't know, like kind of like how I show cleaning my room too much and folding blankets too much. Stuff like that, like it doesn't need to be repeated, you understand. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know what you like to drink for caffeine. Me, preferably now, I like to drink an espresso, obviously, but I do like a good Monster here and there. So let me know how you like to take your caffeine. You know, like black coffee, or do you want a Red Bull? Like, what kind of Monster? Just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.